Chapter 11. Discovering Artificial Intelligence. What you'll learn. Artificial Intelligence, AI. Human Intelligence, HI. Types of AI. Sophia the Humanoid. Quick draw with Google. We are in a generation where technology has surrounded us from all sides. Our everyday life runs on the use of technology. Technology has been an important part of our daily lives. Technology is constantly evolving, and one of the most fascinating advancements shaping our future is artificial intelligence, AI. Let us understand artificial intelligence and human intelligence first. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is the ability that makes computers to behave like humans and make decisions on their own in a similar way an intelligent human thinks and acts. Human intelligence, HI. Human intelligence is the intellectual power of humans. It enables them to gain intelligence from past experiences and actions based on different situations. This helps them further to respond in future behaviors. Code Byte. John McCarthy is known as the father of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has come a long way from being a component of science fiction to reality. It is rising very quickly. It is encouraging humans to become more productive and live a reasonable life. A lot of differences exist between human intelligence and artificial intelligence on the basis of nature, decision-making, performance, speed, adaptability, etc. Some of them are listed below. Human intelligence, HI. Artificial intelligence, AI. Human intelligence is natural. Artificial intelligence is artificial. HI use brain power as human brain is analogous. AI depends on the input data as machines are digital. HI is based upon common sense, judgment and creativity. AI always mimics human behavior. Human decision can be biased. Decision-making of AI is unbiased. HI process information slower. AI process information faster. HI may be less accurate. AI is more accurate. HI adapts to new environmental changes. AI takes more time to adjust unfamiliar changes. HI cannot beat the speed of AI. AI can solve any complex problem very fast. Types of AI. Based on the capabilities, artificial intelligence can be divided into mainly categories: weak AI and strong AI. Types of AI. Weak AI. Weak AI is also called narrow AI. It is a type of artificial intelligence that is limited to a specific or narrow area. Machines powered with weak AI are designed to perform a particular task with intelligence. The digital assistants like Google Assistant, Alexa and Siri represent weak AI. Strong AI. Strong AI is also known as full AI. Machines powered with strong AI have the mind of their own. These machines can think and accomplish multitask on their own. Sci-fi movies like Terminator, iRobot and WALL-E are examples of strong AI. Advanced robotics comes under strong AI. Code Byte. Apple Intelligence is a personal intelligence system in iPhone devices designed to help you communicate better, work more efficiently and make everyday tasks easier. Sophia the Humanoid. Sophia is a human-like robot developed by Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics. It has marked the beginning of strong AI depicting the future of advanced robotics and AI research. This humanoid robot has been built with the latest advances in AI. Sophia was activated on 14 February 2016. The robot has been designed to learn and adapt to human behavior and work with humans. Sophia has also been interviewed around the world. In October 2017, Sophia became a citizen of Saudi Arabia. This means Sophia is the first robot to receive citizenship of a country. Her ability to imitate human gestures makes her one of a kind. She speaks softly, intelligently, and affectionately. Sophia became very popular and gained many fans by impressing people in her conversations and interactions. The possibilities are endless, and as technology advances, the line between science fiction and reality continues to blur. Quick Draw with Google. Quick Draw is an online game developed by Google. It challenges players to quick draw 6 different objects. The player only has a limited time to draw, 20 seconds. Artificial intelligence starts to guess what the drawings represent. In a game of quick draw, there are 6 rounds. Before each round, the player is given 20 seconds to draw a randomized object. A round ends either when the other successfully guesses the drawing or the player runs out of time. The drawing and results are given to the player at the end. Start Quick Draw. A computer with internet connection is required to play this game. Let us learn to play this game. Step 1. Click on the Start icon. A Start menu will appear. Step 2. Click on Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge window appears. Or, we can also click on Google Chrome. Step 3. Click on address bar and type and press Enter key. Quick Draw screen appears to start the drawing game. AI experiment in Quick Draw. Step 1. Click on Let's Draw button to start the game. New screen appears which prompts us to draw a picture of an object in given time limit. Step 2. Click on Got It. The interface of Quick Draw appears. Step 3. Draw the picture, airplane, using mouse. As we draw, Quick Draw starts speaking out and showing up the guesses about the drawing. After 20 seconds, next screen appears and prompts to draw second picture. Step 4. Repeat steps 2 and 3 to draw the pictures. Once we have completed 6 suggested prompts, it will display the result. In this example, 2 out of 6 pictures are correct, according to Google. Step 5. If we want to play again, we can click on Play Again button. Key takeaways. Technology is constantly evolving, and one of the most fascinating advancements shaping our future is artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the ability that makes computers intelligent. Humans gain intelligence from past experiences and use those in future behaviors. A lot of differences exist between HI and AI on the basis of problem solving, decision making, speed, adaptability, etc. Weak AI and strong AI are the 2 types of AI. Sophia is a human-like robot developed by Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics. Quick Draw is an online game developed by Google.